Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to increase accuracy location on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want the location information on your cell phone to be very accurate, or you want to know the location of your cell phone with an accurate point, then you can increase location accuracy. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to the settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and then go to location menu. And then after that, now you can click location services, and then here now you can go to location accuracy, and then now you can turn it on. When location accuracy is on, information about wireless signal such as Wi-Fi and other is used to estimate more accurate device location. And so yeah, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.